The last time we were here, I got to say, it was pretty sad. It was falling apart and it was rather difficult to run the event. Now it's been renovated. If you recall, we couldn't hold Showcase because it was being renovated, and we did have a very small event across the road. And then of course COVID came along and we couldn't have Showcase. So this is the first time back since 2017, I believe. Some of you veterans, I can recognize some of you from previous events, will remember that and remember what Showcase, or Fiji Showcase, is all about. There'll be a number of you I know who are new, and this is going to be a whole new experience for you. Let me warn you that it is going to be unique, it is going to be exciting, and there's going to be a lot of opportunities to achieve a lot of things. Whether your purpose is to make a lot of money, hopefully you're going to be able to do that, or it is to get an important message across, hopefully I know you're going to be able to do that. The excitement has been building in the community. I know lots of people who've been coming up to me and talking to me about it and asking me about it. In fact, some of my ladies here who are from the plant business have been asking me about Showcase for the last 5 years, because it's been an important thing for them, and it's good to see them back again. But I know there's a lot of excitement out there about this event, and I'm sure it's going to be a very, very busy week. We were very relieved to get a group called the Dauntless Crew, and they're the first time that we're seeing them in Fiji. They're stilt walkers, I believe, robots. They got LED robot lights and fairies, and they do all sorts of things. So it's going to be really quite a spectacle. That's always an important part of that. Of course, the plus from COVID is that we've all these fantastic Fijian bands that have emerged, and musical artists during that period, and we're going to feature some of the stars of the musical industry. Of course, Lysa, we couldn't have an event without Lysa. Also Paradise Roots, who are a new band coming through, very excited about them. The VT1s guys coming, Agi Wakalaloma and Makare are coming back to feature here at Showcase. So a pretty impressive lineup of events. And then SN is here, and his Naftarang crew are going to turn on. SN and his sunglasses are here for the show. And the Naftarang team have been working hard on their contribution to Showcase, which is always a big highlight, and a few other features, including our singing plumber, Ronald J. Will Ronald J be making a surprise event? I'm sure Ronald J will be featured at some stage through Showcase.